think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Keeps my little baby girl as a need.
Hello, today we're going to be trying out the new Etude House Mini 2 Match lipstick things. I saw Honey once again was the model for this campaign, so I had to hop on that. Basically, the idea and concept of these is that you get like 2 mini lipsticks to create kind of like a grainy look or whatever look you want, and it'll be easy to travel with because you have like this little magnet thing that I'm sorry. I'm gonna need some water. You get 2 mini lipsticks of your choice and you connect them with this magnet that they give to you. They're actually really inexpensive. They're only 5,801 each, so that's like less than $6. But then again, I know there are some cheap drugstore lipsticks in America that are you get more product because these are like mini, like tiny. And to be honest, when I swatched them in store, they were really thick and like they were pigmented, but they were super thick, which I felt like, I don't know, it was a weird time to be releasing them now that it's winter because I felt like thicker formulas would just look like dry on the lips during winter. But anyway, you get to choose like from a range of like regular lipstick colors, with different undertones, warm, cool, neutral, with different finishes. I really only saw matte, but I don't know. Then you have some kind of color changing colors like the ones I was holding, this black one, they had like magenta, cyan, and yellow, I think. And then there's like the white, black. And then there are a few other random ones, like there's this lip concealer, and then there's the lip balms. But I had gone and they were having like a kind of event. I don't remember what it was. I think it was like, if you get 2, you get 1 for free. And if you get 3, you get 2. And so what ended up happening was I ended up getting actually quite a number of them, like a lot of them, for like a little under $30. Sorry, it's the end of the day and I'm looking really crusty. So please ignore that. And also I feel like now that my hair is super dark, I can't wear a lot of makeup because then it looks too strong on my face. Anyway, so this is what the packaging for like the regular lipsticks looks like. Here are the kind of color changing ones, the lip balm and the concealer. And then for every pair that you buy, they will give you a free little magnet holder thing. Now because I want to prep and prime my lips, let's put together the lip conditioner or lip balm, and then we'll try the lip concealer. Oh, it's so cute. Packaging is adorable. It's the lip balm, this is the concealer. And it's like, look, you don't get that much product really. For like a lip balm, I'd honestly just get a regular like lip balm from somewhere else because you probably get way more product for way less. And they all have like this really, I guess minus the lip balm, they all have this funny little shape. This here, I guess it helps you to shape your lips and get like a precise lip line. But yeah, that's pretty much how much you get. Like, you don't get a lot with each product. The lipsticks I'm a little bit more understanding because they're so pigmented. You don't need to use that much. The little magnet holder is just this little piece of plastic that's the magnet on the inside. And then you just stick that in there. There, I mean, like, I guess the strength with which the cap holds onto this is weaker than the magnet, so that you don't have to worry about if you like opening the lipstick or whatever, you're gonna like pull this straight out. It's not too hard to pull out, but it makes me a little bit worried about this being in like your bag. So you see that I was trying to open the, look at that. It was coming off. Actually, I already have 8-hour cream on my lips, but whatever. The lip balm is more on like the thick, solid side. It's not really oily and like super emollient. It feels a lot like that. What's that lip balm called? The one that everyone was using, the little egg-looking one. It feels like that. It's not really slippery and slidey. I'm gonna conceal my lips just a little bit. Girl, I'm not a big fan of like lip concealer products. I have a few, but I never use them because I just use whatever foundation I was wearing. It basically just feels like a really emollient concealer. It has a bit of moisture to it, I guess, so that it doesn't dry your lips out. And then it's a little bit transparent, so it doesn't look too like pigmented. And I mean, I don't imagine you can, but I don't think you need to put like super high coverage concealer on your lips. For me, I just kind of conceal the lip line a little bit. I use like the slightest amount anyway. I feel like it would be really uncomfortable to wear. Oh my God, this is really accentuating my dry lips. Okay, anyway. All right, so I got 2 combinations. The first one, I think these are 2 Ponies picks colors. One is LA Lady, LA Onni is the Korean name, LA sister, but the English name is LA Lady. I guess it's supposed to be inspired by like Instagram gurus. And the second one is Fig Flower Cake. So when I was choosing this combination, it's supposed to be kind of like, you know, Instagram baddie, sort of like liquid lipstick, sort of that kind of feeling. Actually, you get a little bit of a preview of the color here. Oh, 이쁘다. This is kind of just like a 말린 장미, like a dried rose color. And both of these are matte formulas, but they're really smooth. They feel a lot like, actually let me swatch the other one. They feel a lot like those lipsticks. It feels a lot like the Laneige two-tone lip bar things, like the new matte ones. They're super creamy, and they have like this velvety feeling that kind of smooth, well, hopefully these do. They'll like smooth your lips out. Wow. Super pigmented. Pretty pigmented. And really smooth, but I can tell immediately, like, this is not transfer proof. It's super creamy, super pigmented, and really smooth, but I can tell from the texture it just comes off if you eat, drink anything. This did actually get really good reviews on GlowPick, which is like the premier kind of like review app that Koreans use. And then you're supposed to put like the darker color on the inside. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, I like that. I don't think it makes my lips look that great. It really emphasizes the texture of my lips. This isn't like the Peri Pera Airy Velvet tints or whatever. Those you put on and they really smooth your lips out. These kind of smooth out your lips, but not to that same degree. Sorry, my monitor is like down here, but I mean, it looks okay. I think the more I wear it, the more it kind of like melts into my lips. That's really pretty. I like that. It's really perfect for that kind of gradiated full lip look that's been kind of trendy in Korea lately. Because a lot of girls will like they'll put a base color on and then they'll put like the main color on top. And having that base color underneath, as you guys have seen me do on my channel, it kind of makes your lips look a little bit bigger. Which is kind of the trend now in Korea. It's like slightly bigger looking lips. I like that. The swatches I had on my hand here, I'm gonna try wiping away to see kind of if they stain my skin. That will give us an idea about like the staying power. Unfortunately, I'm really busy this week, so I haven't had time to test a lot of new makeup products out because I'm doing all sorts of things. Because I'm going to Chicago this Sunday, so I won't have that much time to test these outside. I could probably give you an update later, but so far they wipe off pretty easily. They leave like a tiny stain, but I don't think this is enough to like justify as like, oh, long wearing. Because I just told you guys, the second that I swiped on my lips, I could tell like this isn't gonna last very long. There are some people that are really good at like keeping their lip color, even normal lipstick, like pristine. Like when they eat, they're like, you know, they're really good about like not touching their lips. That's something I forget that I have stuff on my lips, so I'll like I'll bite at my lips and lick them. But you know what? For this video, it's a good thing because it'll be easy to wipe the bitches off. You see it like comes right off. It looks just like my natural lip color though. So something like that. As it wears off, it won't look too bad because it'll just look like my lips underneath. I apologize. I really should have exfoliated. I did put some 8-hour cream on before, but I think it helped. But I think it caused all the dead skin to kind of come off of my lips. I just didn't take the time to actually wipe off the dead skin. Has anyone heard Sunmi's new song? Heroin? It's stuck in my head. All right, so this combination, I don't know why I got this. I think it was because I saw this video of this like ball joint doll, this girl painting a ball joint doll, and I love the way she did the lips. So I think that day I was like, I want to get colors similar to the paints that she was using. So I guess I picked these out. One is called Salmon Kiss and the other is Slow Coral. They're both just like coral colors. For some reason, I guess I was hoping to get a sort of like really innocent, like natural, kind of blushed lip look. They look so, let me swatch them. This is the lighter one. Oh God, that's really pretty. There, they look really similar. Okay, these are really like, kind of, like they stick into the lines, you can see. Do you see that? Like it doesn't look cute upon first application. I think you just need to give it time to like settle in. So I applied the first color and it kind of just, until it kind of like blends out. And it goes over my natural lip line a little bit. Doing this with one lip color I think can make it look super unnatural, so that's why I put a darker color in the middle. That is really bright. Why is that so bright on camera? No, it's pretty bright in person too. That is, I guess it just doesn't match my other makeup. I think I should go lighter on the eyes, but it's a pretty combination. I think what I wanted to do was put a gloss on top. Obviously, they do not have a gloss that, I mean, I don't know how they would do it. They didn't create a gloss for this collection, I guess. And I don't think the chapstick is gonna work on top because it will just like rub off the really soft formula of the lipsticks. So what I'm gonna do is, hold on, I'm gonna go get some lip gloss. I think someone asked me what lip gloss I was wearing in that one video I had a few videos ago. It was this 3CE glass gloss. That's cute. Like, ignore this. Like, this whole part of my face. The lips alone look... they're pretty, I guess. This would not stand more than, like, taking a cute selfie, though. With the lipstick formula being all slippery and, like, transferable, and then the lip gloss on top. She's, formula for disaster. Ow, fuck. Jesus! Yeah, this is cute, but it's a little bit too much from my lip right now. But I really like the color combination. I think it would be pretty more in like the spring maybe. Yup, it just comes right off. And also it didn't stain my hand. All right, so now we're gonna try the color changing or transforming ones. We've got this magenta one and I've got the black one. There's other colors there, but these are the ones that I chose. Cause she was, oh, if you buy some more, you get, you know, so like, okay, whatever. It's own, like you can't really tell on camera. It's a little bit more less opaque than the other colors. That makes sense because it is just meant to, I mean, I'll probably wear this alone if you want. Or you can wear the black one alone if you want, but they're meant to just go on top of, like, do you see that? This is like a sheer black. It's almost like a gray. It's meant to go on, it's meant to go on top of the other colors just to slightly change the color, not to like completely cover it up, so. Let me put on the LA on me color and we'll see what difference it makes. I will say though, it makes it super quick to just swipe out with the shape. I just go and I get like a quick like lip on. All right, I'm gonna put it on, should I put on my top lip or my bottom lip? Let me put on my bottom lip. This is what it looks like with the magenta on. Oh shit, oh no, I almost touched my lips together, sorry. I mean, kind of just made it like a pink color. There's the original and there's the magenta on the bottom. Like adding the magenta. It kind of just like brightened up the color. Oh my god, sorry. Application, not slaying. Okay, so it made like a brighter version, like brighter, pinkier version of that last color. Of the original color, I should say. What I'm guessing you could do is, if you're not too skilled in the art of like, oh, I want to do a lip gradient, but I don't know what colors to get. You can get one color that you do really like, and then just get one of these transforming shades. Maybe if it's like that rose color, you'll get maybe like the black. I'm gonna try the black right now, but basically a color that will make it darker or whatever. And then that way you can also create a gradient that way. We'll see if we can do it with that color. And now let's try putting this just on the center, because you can put it all over, but I'm gonna see if I can make a gradient by just using this. Oh god. What? It's kind of just making it gray. I don't like that. I don't like that. If you're into that whole like gray lip sort of thing, there it is. Me trying to make a gradient out of that, but this is kind of stylish and cool, but not my. Actually, that's a really pretty color. Like, it looks like something I would see in Sephora. But yeah, if you try to make a gradient with that, it just makes it look gray. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking that would work. So these are the colors that I have. The magenta I kind of graded up here and then the black out here. You can see that the magenta brightened them like a tiny bit, but the gray one, the black one kind of just made them look gray. And also it does this thing where it gets on there and that makes me like really uncomfortable, but that's just me being a pussy. So I'm wearing the combination that I had second, the two kind of corally colors here. And actually, I think I put too much the first time, so I put it on more lightly. I'm happy with both of them, but I mean, I know so I'm only trying it for the first time today, so the thing I can't talk about is like wear time. But if I'm talking about it from the perspective of someone like just me, like a regular person, like, you know, trying to find a new lip color or something. Pros, I like the texture is like a pro, con. Pro, it does kind of smooth out your lips. It gives you the illusion of smooth out lips, but on the con side, it kind of emphasizes wrinkles on your lips. There are a lot of other velvet type products that don't do that, that really smooth out your lips. So on that front, it's just okay. Another pro, they're very inexpensive. They're very inexpensive. For less than $10, you get 2 color lipsticks. But if you take into consideration like the size, you're really kind of just getting 1 lipstick, I guess. Because both sides are so tiny. Or honestly, you can just buy 1 color if there's 1 color that you really like. And it's just really easy and convenient to bring around with you. It smooths on really quickly. And it seems to meld into itself really well. Like it doesn't clump on top of, like if your lips get a little bit dry and you need to reapply, but it doesn't like get all cakey on top. Because it does have like a really smooth velvety texture, kind of melds into itself. Cons though, I just feel like it's too slippery and slidey that it's not gonna last, not transfer proof. That depends though, because some people, like I said, are really good at keeping their lips like pristine and not like avoid getting anything on it. But if I were to drink, like it's on there. You see that right there? Right here? And just being a person that bites his lips all the time, it's gonna annoy me and it's gonna come off. The color changing ones, they're okay. I think they're a little bit gimmicky. To be completely honest with you, even just like I was excited seeing Pony on there, but the second I saw what she was promoting, this whole like mix match thing, although it got good reviews, I just feel like it was gimmicky from the start. I don't see this seems like a very fun product, but I don't see it being very practical. I know we like to try really interesting products on this channel, but at the end of the day, what I wear every day, I'm probably not gonna reach for these. Maybe this one, because I like the way it looks now, but I don't know, it would just be on those days where I feel like I'm gonna be like, you know, I feel like touching up my makeup, but honestly at the end of the day, I'd rather just wear like maybe lip tint, something I can just set and forget. Lip balm, you can get lip balm anywhere. The lip concealer, if it's, I mean, you can use foundation or concealer that you already have because that already matches your skin tone anyway, am I right? I mean, it's a little bit more emollient than like a regular concealer because it is like, I guess it's meant for the lips. Anyway, I hope this helped you guys out that were asking me to review it. Again, this is only like a first impression really, but it's just one of those things immediately I put it on and I know how I feel about it. I feel like lip products are the easiest for me to review, like in terms of first impressions, or at least trying it on the first day because, I don't know, they're just like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
Leaving with the babysitter, mama call the grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.